Hey everyone, welcome to the channel. In this video I'll show you how to install two very awesome mods for Elden Ring. First one being the seamless co-op that allows you to easily complete the entire game with your friends from 0 to 100%. It's just an amazing mod. It's the most popular mod. Yeah, it's the most popular mod for Elden Ring as of now. And I will also show you how to install the randomizer mod if you're curious how to kind of mix up, you know, the gameplay and stuff like that. And if you just want to add a pinch of, you know, more engagement into the game and kind of mix it up and add new things. So firstly, guys, go to Nexus Mods. It's very easy. Just type in Nexus Mods on the Google search. After that, you will need to search for a game, which is going to be Elden Ring, of course, and go to its corresponding section. Okay, now in here you can have two ways of downloading both mods. You can search in the popular. As you can see, the first one being seamless co-op. Let us install this one first. Guys, it's very easy and straightforward to install this mod. You just go to the files, you download the required files, so manual download, after that slow download. Right, as you can see, guys, you will have this very small archive, only 1 megabyte in size. Start download, after that open it up, and guys, you need to drag and drop these files into your game's mother directory. Alright guys, so you go to Steam Library, Steam Apps, Common, Elden Ring, Game, and into here, as you can see, I already have my Seamless Co-op installed because I'm actually playing it with my friend. You just choose these files, drag them and drop them into the folder of the game. And after that, guys, you just need to use this ersclauncher.exe file to launch the game along with the mod functioning. Very easy. Now let's get to the second mod, which is the randomizer. So for that one, let's just research it. So just press on random. So, oh, it's a game. All right. Okay, guys, so you can just type in your Google search Elden Ring randomizer, and you will have this amazing mod. Elden Ring, as you can see, item and enemy randomizer. So it will basically make sure to give you different items for yourself, different weapons, talismans, different kind of progression, different bosses in different places. So basically it's going to switch it up, you know, so that it remains interesting and engaging. All right, guys, so you just go to the files and you download the mod files, of course. Also make sure to install the desktop runtime. Let me actually check if I have it installed. So open it up. Oh, I don't have it. Okay, let's install it. So be sure to install this Microsoft Windows desktop runtime. It's necessary. Close. Great. Now we have this. Now press on manual download and download the mod files. Slow download. Right, guys, so as you can see, we will have this archive, 51 megabytes. Just press on download and let the download finish. So guys, as we are downloading the files, you can also view, as you can see, the mod is already downloaded. Here's our files. Now we need to install it. So you can also read for yourself when you're here in this page. You can read for yourself what this mod actually does and how to install it. But of course, because I'm making this video, I will show you how to install it myself. So let us start. Okay, guys, so what you need to do next is you need to download this automatic mod engine. Just copy it like this, search Google, and as you can see, go to this GitHub page. And in this GitHub page, go to the releases and download this archive right over here. Start download, open it up. So just extract this to any folder you want. I'm just going to extract it to my desktop. So as you can see, also if we go to the mods description, Elden Ring is also supported. As you can see, supported games. Elden Ring is in the list, so you can close this now. Now guys, we will use this automatic mod engine to install our Elden Ring mod randomizer. Okay guys, so basically what you need to do next is open up your mod engine. Also guys, before you do anything go back into your games folder and copy the Elden Ring executable and paste it into here. This is essential. Without this mod engine will not work and you will not be able to play the game with the mod. After that, open up the mod folder and just drag and drop your randomizer files that you've downloaded from the Nexus mods into this folder. Alright, so as you can see, we have our randomizer. Just drag and drop this into here. And after you're done installing both mods, you can just launch not the eldenring.exe, you will need to launch mod eldenring.bat. This will launch a game and everything should work. Guys, this is how it's done. So hopefully you enjoyed the tutorial. As you can see, the installation doesn't take that much time. With my tutorial and guide, this should be very easy. Enjoy the video, like and subscribe, guys. See you next time.